I feel exhausted today. Work was nonstop.
Yeah, same here. Too many meetings, too many emails.
I didn't even stand up. My shoulders are so stiff.
Office life, it drains you slowly.
We need a break. Not just rest, something different.
I was thinking the same.
Really?
Yeah, tomorrow's Saturday.
Right, no work.
Let's go somewhere quiet.
Like where?
There's a small hill outside the city, not too far.
You mean hiking?
Yeah, early morning. We can catch the sunrise.
That sounds nice, but also very early.
That's the point. Fresh air, no noise, just us.
I don't know if I can wake up that early.
We can try. Sleep early tonight.
All right, I'll trust you.
Good. Let's set the alarm.
What time?
4:30.
Wait, 4:30?
We'll regret it later if we don't go.
Okay, fine, but you wake me up.
Deal.
Good night.
Good night.
What is that sound?
It's the alarm.
No, already?
Yes, it's time.
It's still dark outside.
Come on, we said we'd go.
5 more minutes.
If we stay, we won't go at all.
You're right.
Let's get up.
This is painful.
You're doing it, though.
Barely. Where's my toothbrush?
Next to the sink.
I can't even open my eyes.
Splash some water on your face.
Ah, that's freezing.
Exactly. It works.
Do we have toothpaste?
Yeah, here, take it.
Thanks.
You look half asleep.
I feel half alive.
Still, kind of cute.
You're joking.
Not really.
All right, I'm awake now. A little.
Good. Let's get ready.
What should we take?
Flashlight first.
Got it.
Water?
2 bottles ready.
Nice.
Food?
I packed sandwiches and a chocolate bar.
Perfect.
What about something to sit on?
There's a small mat by the door.
I see it. Got it.
Check the weather.
Cold, really cold.
Then wear your warm jacket.
Already on.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, it's so quiet.
The whole city is asleep.
I like this feeling.
Me too.
Are you still tired?
A bit, but it's fading.
Look at the sky.
So many stars.
We never see this.
We're always too busy.
Not today.
How far is it?
About 10 minutes more.
I can see it now.
That's the hill?
Yeah,
It looks taller than I expected.
we'll take it slow.
All right,
Let's start, step by step.
don't rush.
This air feels amazing.
Right? It clears your mind.
Do you remember our last trip?
Barely.
It's been too long.
Way too long.
Careful here, the path is steep.
Okay, wait for me.
You good?
I'm breathing hard.
Let's pause for a second.
Yeah, I need that.
Drink some water.
Thanks.
What's wrong?
Part of me wants to go back.
Don't say that now.
I'm serious. I'm tired.
Look up.
What?
See that? That's the top.
That close?
Yeah, we're almost there.
Okay,
Let's finish this.
that's the spirit.
You can do it.
I'm trying.
And you're doing great.
We made it.
Wow.
I didn't think I could.
But you did.
We did.
I'm actually proud of us.
Me too.
Look, the sky.
It's changing.
The sun, it's coming up.
Just wait.
There.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
No, that's more than beautiful.
It feels peaceful.
Was it worth waking up?
Yeah, more than worth it.
I don't feel tired anymore.
Same.
I feel alive.
Let's just sit here for a moment.
No phones, no noise, just this.
Yeah.
Happy sunrise.
Happy sunrise.